Are you tired of itchy, untamed neck beards? What about hairlines? Uneven hairlines, receding hairlines, or what about your untamed sideburns? Is that supposed to be a beard? How about wearing headbands to cover up your hairline? Yeah. What about hats? Hats that don't fit that cover your hairline. You tired of that? You tired of just having to cover up and be scared of your hairline? Yeah, you are. Are you tired of not being confident at parties? You are. Well, what if I could tell you you could change all that? You could walk away from you have the power to change all that with this one secret. All you have to do is Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for stopping by. Let's go ahead and get into Whoa. Did you think I forgot? Did something change? Let's run that back, Turbo. What is going on, everybody?
This is your captain speaking.
Is your captain speaking. And I'm back with another video. As you can obviously tell by the title and the description below, today is a hair care video specifically for my fellas, right? I'm going to be teaching you how to line yourself up. If you have a pair of clippers, sometimes, you might be stepping up to a function, you might be meeting your girl's parents, you got that job interview, and you might not have the bread that you need, or you might not have time to stop by the barber shop, right? So Trae is gonna get you fellas right, and maybe some of you females down below, and we just gonna hop straight into this thing. It's real simple. I want to keep this video nice, short, and sweet. So this is usually the part where you like, comment, and subscribe. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is part your hair. If you have semi-long hair or long hair, then you're going to want to get some hair ties or chongos. That's what the kids like to call them. And section off your hair so it's not in the way of you doing your lineup. And if you have short hair, then, well, obviously you just be able to skip this step. But you just want to make sure your hair is out the way and it's not affecting you line yourself. So the next thing you want to do is comb or brush down the hair that you're going to be lining up, just to make sure that it's uniform when you're going over it with the clippers. Okay, so now you're actually going to get into lining yourself up. So as you can see what I'm doing, I'm going up to my natural line and I'm bringing the clippers down. You never want to push the clippers up forward because you could cut more into your edge up and you're going to have to correct that. So I'm just tapping at the line and I'm pulling the clippers down. And if you follow this motion, you should be okay. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do right here is just finish up with that lining up your forehead. I know I told you not to push up toward it, but I guess you might actually have to do it sometimes when lining yourself up. So you just got to make sure that your hands are steady. So you're just going back, making sure everything's straight on the lineup on your forehead, making sure everything looks good, everything's complete, everything's nice and together. And then you're going to want to transition into doing your temple, just pushing toward the line, making sure that line is nice and straight and it pops out to your liking. And then you're going to want to take the tip or the corner of the clippers and go in a half circular motion so you can try to form that natural curve of your lineup. So try to keep it as natural as possible. Just going in that circular motion until it fits to your liking. And then afterward, I'm going to take those clippers and use it to shape my sideburns, right? I like it small and skinny. Some people like it wide, and I like to end it with a little point at the end. So that's what I'm doing right here, just prepping it, my sideburns. And I take all the excess facial hair away that I don't want, because I mean, I can't grow a beard yet. It's pretty struggling, my beard is. So I just take all that off, and yeah, I'm just shaving myself, going with the natural curve of my temple already, and I'm just trying to make that into a point. And so now you want to do the same thing, exact same thing on the right side, right? So everything we did on the left side, you're just going to take and apply the same steps to your opposing side, so nothing changes. You know, you want to make sure that your edge up is together again and straight. And now I'm taking the tip and the corner of my blade, and I'm just going with the curvature of my line. And right here, I'm going back, correcting anything I see, trying to make those lines pop, really stand out. So you're just gonna apply the same steps on the opposite side here. Okay, so this step is completely optional, but like I was telling you guys a little bit earlier, my facial hair is kind of struggling right now, so I just use what I have. So I just edge up my goatee, and I like to do my sideburns and the little mustache that I do have, so I just line that stuff up. But you know, if you have a beard and you want to line yourself up, this would be the time that you would do it. But like I said, it is optional. You know, if you're clean shaven, then you would shave all that off. But I have a little struggle beard, so I'm going to line up my little struggle beard. You feel me? All right, fellas, this next step is also optional, but I like to do it because, you know, it's very noticeable. The ladies, hey, you know, they notice it, but I like to line up, shape up my eyebrows. You know, sometimes, you know, they can get a little thick, a little bushy, you know what I'm saying, a little unruly. So you're gonna have to take them clippers, and just like your lineup, you push down toward it, just trying to get them straight. You know, go with the natural line of your eyebrows, and that's all I do. You know, I don't need to do all that extra stuff. Just keep them maintained, keep them trimmed, so they stand out. You know, when I'm looking at your girl, you know, she notices it. I'm playing, kind of. Yeah, I'm playing. So the next thing that you want to do is line up your neck, right? You know, people, you might not be able to see that, but you know, other people walking behind you, they can see it. So, you know, we got to clean it up. And obviously, you know, I needed to clean up a lot of that taco meat forming on my neck. So, you know, you just get the mirror and angle it like you see me doing, in a position where you can see yourself. And you just go to work. You know, you're following the natural line of your head, and you're gonna have to be ambidextrous with the clippers here. But you're just gonna get one side, you know, transition to the middle, clean all that up, transition again. You're gonna want to go to the other side and just, you know, follow the line of your neck, making sure that you clean it up, getting all that loose extra hair off, and just trying to look more presentable back there. All right, so now you have a choice. You can take your hair ties, you know, your little chungos. That's what the kids like to call them. You can take them out and just reflect on the work that you've done. You know, all the hard work you did, the steady hand that you held doing your lineup. Now it's time to admire your work. So I pick up my hair to see how I'm gonna rock it with my lineup, and you can do the same. If not, then after this, you're pretty much done. So sometimes, you know, you're gonna have a little excess hair coming out the pick, but yeah, I mean, it's just all part of the game, comes with the territory. So just picking out my hair, seeing how the lineup looks, you know, seeing the finished product, and yeah, that's all. After this, you're pretty much done. And now we come to the final part. Yes, y'all know that part, the dreadful part, right? Get that bad boy of alcohol, shake it on up, shake it on up. You're gonna get you a little tissue, a little towel, a little cotton ball or something. Put your little amount on it. And well, fellas, you know how the rest go. Because the rest, as they say, is history.